How can you actually start making at least $100 every single day just by trading options? This is a strategy where you can trade options in literally just 30 minutes a day, and you can make as much as 80% of your profit for every single trade, actually up to 95%. If you come on to here and see some of these currency pairs that you can see right here, so you'll be able to make at least 85% on most occasions trading these pairs for every depending on the amount of money that you actually put in, right? So I've seen as much as 95%, to be honest with you. But if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions. We also got a Telegram group and a Facebook group down below if you got any questions, or if you just want to join a community of like-minded people and learn to make more money online. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I just wanted to demonstrate the power of trading options. So basically, what are options? Well, when it comes to trading, we basically have 4 or 5 things that you can actually trade out there. So we have forex trading, we have stocks trading, we got options trading, which is what we're doing right now, and then we got cryptocurrencies as well. So very, very different markets, but one of the best markets is forex trading as well as this options trading right here. So the best part about option trading is okay, wait, I think that's a good opportunity right there. Let's just bet and see what we actually gonna see right there. So that's at 3 seconds. Anyways, the best part about trading options is that, as you can see, I just placed a bet right now, right? So if I win this trade in the next 25 seconds, I make 74% of what I bet. So if I bet at least $100, so you basically know how much you're getting when you are trading. So if I had bet $100 in this trade, I would have made $74. I would have made $74 in the next 8 seconds, or I would have lost $100 in the next 5 seconds. So the difference is that it all depends on how much you put in and how much when you actually get the trade, right? So as you can see, you can only lose the amount of money that you actually put in, but as you can see, a lot of people are actually making money with this. So the strategy that I'm going to be teaching you today is very simple, although this is actually a strategy that I've been able to learn from Zukul Trader. So Zukul is a company which offers different trading opportunities, like they offer automated bots. They also offer different courses, right? So this is one of the basic courses which just gets you from being nobody when it comes to trading, when you like somebody who just don't know anything about trading, to becoming actually a professional who actually knows what they are doing with the trading platform, right? And be able to actually start making a lot of money with this. As you can see, it's very easy and very simple. So what you'll be able to get here is a PDF which comes with a free course, a video course that you'll be able to go through and then start trading, right? So basically it's just $9.95, so it's a 30-day money back guaranteed. But I'm pretty sure you won't actually need that. You actually want to carry on using this because it's really amazing. And I think for just $10, this is an amazing opportunity to get started building something, a skill that will actually help you make money online, right? So if you can just read some of this, I mean, anybody can do this. As you can see, these are people of different ages. Anybody can do this as long as you can have access to the internet. On your mobile phone, on your anything, as long as you can just install the device, the software, and then fund your account. As you can see here, I'm actually on my demo account. So with IQ options, you can get actually 10,000 US dollars just to start practicing, right? And then once you master the strategies, you'll be able to switch to your real account and then start trading. So I always recommend people that you start trading in the practice account, the demo account, and then actually start seeing how everything works out, so that you'll be able to really get an opportunity to make the most money out of it, so that it doesn't become a gamble, because trading is not a gamble. It's actually having a strategy, a perfect strategy that will allow you to have more wins over losses. So that's the main target right here. So you can fill it up, refill it anytime, as much as you want, until you feel more comfortable. You're much more comfortable in opening with real amount. And the minimum with IQ options to start trading is just $10. So I'm pretty sure anybody has $10 to start trading, and I've seen people taking $10 to crazy amounts, 10x at $100, all the way to 1,000 in a matter of hours of just betting options with a perfect strategy. So as I said again, if you can just read some of this testimonial right there, as you can see, Jonathan Drew, wow, I've just finished a 60-second trader, what a read. I discovered a fantastic sniper strategy within the 60-second trader, and guess what? I won 9 consecutive successful trades. It simply works. You don't want to miss and so forth. As you can see, 9 successive trades. I mean, that will basically put you on a big money right there. So you can actually go through all the testimonials and just read through for yourself. But I've been able to also see success with it. So it's all about you and how much you want to start with it and how much you want to spend mastering this art. I mostly focus on trading Forex over options because I like the ability to put on a trade, enter a trade, and then leave it for days instead of 1 minute, placing 1 minute bets and then trying to maximize on that or make money out of that. So this is for people who are really just into scalping. So scalp trading is basically when you make your profits within the next 1 minute, within the next 2 minutes or so. But I like holding my trades for at least an hour just to see how it will go and so forth. So that's why I usually focus on Forex trading mostly. But for anyone who is interested in learning an art where you can make 80% of your money, of your investment in just a minute, in just a few seconds, then options is a really good way to start. So as I said, the 60-second trader will actually get you from being a total beginner to making a decent amount of money trading Forex, trading options, So as you can see, these are some of the screenshots from the pages. They literally tell you when to enter trades, when to do what, when to exit, and what to look for. So as you can see, they tell you step by step. It's really just a quick guide to really see how much you'll be able to make. So if you can just zoom in on this screenshot right here. As you can see, as I said, you can start with just $10. As you can see here, you can increase your trading stake. So you start with the $10 right there. Your return on investment $18, net profit $8. So if you start with 390, 702 ROI, that's $59 net profit. So it just depends on how much you actually start with and how much you want to risk. Because remember, trading is always a risk. But with a proper strategy like the one that they use here, you'll be able to make more wins over losses. Therefore, you basically making profits overall more than just losing, right? So that's the basic aim when it comes to trading options. So as you can see, that trade, if I had hold it long, I could have been in profits right now. But it just follows. So you can trade on 1 minute all the way to you can trade from 1 minute all the way to 1 month. So it just depends on how much you want to hold it. But as I said, I prefer Forex over options. But for those who are interested in knowing how options work, this video is really for you. You'll be able to start generating some amount of money right there. So let's just see how this trade goes. Right now, I'm really not focused. I'm just trying to show you how the platform works. So I just bet $100 US right there. So let's see how this one will go. So basically, it's that simple. So you have different indicators that you can use to help you to your advantage. And then you have a lot of currency pairs that you'll be able to trade even on weekends. This is the best part about this platform. Even on weekends, you have opportunities to actually trade and make some bit of cash during the weekends whilst others are partying, you know what I mean? So that's really the great part about options trading. So IQ options, as I said, is available on your mobile phone as well. It's available on any device. You'll be able to trade from anywhere in the world. So you can check the links down below and get started with your trading. As you can see, okay, I almost did it. I almost did it. But anyways, as I said, once you learn the strategy, once you master it, you'll be able to make as much money as you want with this strategy. And you actually, oh, look now, and then it suddenly just falls. Really? Wow, just when I lose my trade, then it falls. Really amazing. But anyways, for basic, let me say a basic introduction, what you're looking at right now, if you don't know, so this, as I say, this is how you add your currencies. You look for the ones that you want to trade. I usually focus for the ones with at least 80% return on investment. So every time you place a bet, you either make 85% of what you win or you lose 100% of what you invested, right? But at least that will help you to stay in profits more than when you're making 50% commissions and so forth. So so you either bet higher or lower, meaning you basically saying the market in the next 15 seconds, in the next 15 minutes is going to go up or down. So during the trade, as you can see right now, it's a 0, right? So you have the potential to close your trade whilst it's still on. If you see that you might hit negative by the time that it loses, that the time expiration hits 0. So you can actually close your trade and be able to make some profits that will be displayed here. Right now it's still in negative. So as it goes up, you can see some of this, it will actually be in profits, allowing you to close the trade if you see that it might end up in losses. That way you exit without any loss. So when you place your bet, you actually know how much money you're going to lose, and you also know how much money you're going to make if you actually win the trade. That's the best part about options. So you know exactly how much you're risking, how much you might lose if you lose that bet, and you can enter as many options as you want and be able to actually make a lot of money with it. So let's say I wanted to enter different. Like I could have entered a trade right here at the bottom and then entered another one right there and then another one. So if you just see that there's a potential that the market is going to go in a direction, then you simply just keep on entering. That way you make a lot more money than your losses, right? So that's what they teach you in the strategy, so that you always see profits. You don't always actually, even though you lose some of the trades, you won't lose as much as, let's say maybe out of 10 trades, you make 7 are successful, 3 might be losses, but then that will be a huge difference in profits, right? You'll be still in huge profits. So that's some of the tricks that the guide, this PDF and the course will be teaching you, how to get started with option trading. So if you're interested in knowing more about this, or if you want me to go into deeper details with these strategies, or into with this video explaining what accurate options is really, you can actually hit me up on Telegram, on Facebook, or just leave a comment down below letting me what you want to know more about it, and then I'll make another video about it, or I'll answer your questions directly in the comments. And yeah, so I really appreciate you taking time to watch this video all the way to the end. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Again, simple ways to make money online. I mean, we're in the 21st century. If you want to make money online, it's very much possible. It's just about you choosing the way that you want to make money online. I mean, we got cryptocurrencies, we got online buying and selling and so forth. So they're just different, multiple ways of making money online, right? So if you got any questions, don't forget to hit me up on Telegram, as I said, and then I'll be able to help you right there. And again, once you get the course, let me know in the comments or in the Telegram group, and I'll be gladly able to help you out with anything that you want to getting started with the course. As I said, I've gone through it. Yeah, I know the strategies that they teach, and they're very much lucrative. They're very much profitable. Check out the links down below and get started today, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.